Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Instagram profile by deleting highlights based on a specific date, especially using the latest update on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a clear step-by-step process to remove those old or unwanted highlights quickly and easily. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen for the main menu. Click on the menu icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. This will open up a list of options for you. Next, find and click on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram organizes all your interactions, posts, and media. Inside Your Activity, scroll down to the Photos and Videos section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Highlights. Click on it to view all the highlights you've created over time. Now, here's where the new update comes in handy. At the top of the Highlights section, you'll see a button called Sort and Filter. Click on this, and you'll be able to choose a specific date or date range for your highlights. Select the date you want, then click Apply. Instagram will now show you only the highlights from that chosen period. Once your highlights are filtered by date, click on Select. You can now pick all the highlights you want to delete. If you want to remove several at once, just click each one. They'll be marked as selected. When you're ready, look for the Delete button and click it. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to delete these highlights. Double-check your selections, and if you're sure, confirm the step. Just like that, your selected highlights will be permanently removed from your profile, helping you keep your Instagram organized and up to date. That's all you need to do. With these new features, managing your Instagram highlights by date on PC has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!